You may recognize that hymn as it's the hymn that is a favorite of many church-going folks, including myself. It may be my favorite hymn, "It Is Well With My Soul." Now, I'm not here to give you an entire history behind that. It's been talked about in church, or you can look it up on Wikipedia if you want. It's a beautiful story. I'm here to talk to you about cleaning up. I've been trying to do a lot of spring cleaning lately and organizing things. As some of you know, or many of you may know, I am not an organized person. And I'm just going like one drawer at a time, each day, one thing at a time. Well, a few weeks ago, I decided to organize all of the piano music in my office. And I didn't really know how to organize all the music. I'm like, well, do I do it by arranger? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense, since usually when I'm looking for music, I'm looking for a title. It's going to be hard to find a title because all of the books tend to have like 10 titles in each book. So what do I do? So I just decided to, go Christmas, general stuff. But then I had a stack of books that I had to find a place for. And, a few names came through my head that I can't really mention here, but we're just going to call them really hard stuff. And these are two books that I came across that I hadn't played from in a long time. I don't think I've played from these books since Pastor Gail came, but Piano Alive and Praise Him. And they're both arranged by Dr. Ted Cornell. And he's a guy who has doctorates in both composition and piano performance from the Juilliard School. He was the pianist for Bill Gaither's music group as they traveled the entire world. Well, if you look, there's a lot of black on these pages. Well, I started on Easter Sunday. You may have remembered I played a big, for the prelude, a big arrangement on Joyful, Joyful, We Adore Thee from one of these books. And then last week, I played Glorious Things of Thee Are Spoken, real big finger buster as well. And what I've decided to do is from this spring cleaning is also to kind of clean up my fingers, because I've noticed I've kind of gotten them out of shape in a while. They haven't been working as much as they should. I should be practicing a lot more. And we've started a new sermon series called Surprise, the Unexpected Acts of God. And so for these 6 weeks, I'm going to continue to get these fingers going every prelude from one of the pieces in these books from now until the end of this sermon series. And the reason for that is, I find that this unexpected act of God for me is, well, I started cleaning up and now I'm starting to get these guys the way that they should be. And boy, is it feeling really great. So you might have the same thing you can do. Maybe it might be eating better or exercising more. Think about how you can kind of do some spring cleaning and have one of those unexpected acts of God visit you as well. So tomorrow I'll be playing one of Ted Cornell's arrangements, but this time it'll be his It Is Well With My Soul, which I won't play here, but I will finish the chorus that I started earlier.